Well, just as we started feeling some sort of normalcy in our everyday lives, we are now starting to see that uptick in coronavirus cases, and health experts warning that the rise is due to that highly transmissible Delta variant and people not being vaccinated. Joining us to discuss all of this is Dr. Virginia Bieluch, an infectious disease specialist at Hartford HealthCare. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for inviting.
Let's just dive right in. We are seeing lots of things come back, like concerts, tailgates, athletic games, but cases are slowly on the rise again. So how do you think that those not vaccinated but still attending the events may impact those who are fully vaccinated at functions like these?
Well, if you are not vaccinated, you are at significant risk of becoming infected with COVID-19, especially the Delta variant. Outdoors, there's going to be less transmission, but if you're in a crowded area, we're still asking people to wear masks. If you're indoors and you're not vaccinated, please wear a mask in order to protect other people from getting infected if you happen to have COVID-19.
I want to go back a little bit to the fully vaccinated people, because the people who have decided that this is the way that they want to protect themselves against the virus. Is there a COVID positivity percentage where you think vaccinated people should consider masking up for their own safety?
That's a good question. Again, outdoors in an uncrowded situation, you're probably pretty safe. Indoors, if you're with people and you don't know their vaccine status and you can't maintain 6 feet social distancing, it's not a bad idea to wear masks. And I tell people, if you're uncomfortable in a situation and you're indoors, even if you're vaccinated, it's not a bad idea to wear a mask.
Do you anticipate any other shutdowns this fall if those COVID cases tick up and we see more of this Delta variant or, even another variant rise?
Well, it's hard to predict what's going to happen with the virus and what's going to happen with our governor. I think we're very fortunate to live in Connecticut, where we have a high rate of vaccination. So my hope is that we can avoid mandated shutdowns. But the way to protect ourselves against this variant of the virus is to get vaccinated. The more people that are vaccinated, the safer we all are. So you're really getting vaccinated for yourself, but you're also getting vaccinated for your loved ones, your children, any elderly individuals around there. And I'm hoping that we can control this latest increase in cases.
Dr. Bieluch, thanks so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it.
Oh, you're very welcome. Have a good evening.